Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Mast Kitchen once again. Friends, today I am going to share Dahi Baingan recipe with you. This is no onion, no garlic recipe. Very simple and not time taking at all. You can prepare this dish in a few minutes. It tastes so good that you can serve it in parties. So let's move to my Mast Kitchen to prepare Dahi Baingan. To prepare this, I have taken a large sized brinjal, half a cup of curd. To this, we will add 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon of Kashmiri red mirch powder, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is optional. Mix all together well. We'll take 5-6 cashew nuts and we'll grate to make powder. You can soak and grind it to make a smooth paste. Cut the stalk and discard and then make thick slices out of the brick brinjal. If you make thin slices, then the brinjal will become very soft and eventually it will break. Add turmeric powder and salt to the brinjal pieces. Rub the brinjal pieces with turmeric powder and salt to coat it well. Place a heavy base pan on the flame and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is smoky hot, then release the brinjal pieces one by one. Fry both the sides till golden brown. Keep aside. Fry all the brinjal pieces. Add dry red chilli, 1/3 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 2 pinch of asafoetida. Stir for 10 seconds. Then add half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Fry for around 30 seconds. Add a little bit of water and mix well. Now add 1/3 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix. Add the curd mixture. Stir continuously for a minute. This will ensure good blending. Add about a half cup of water. Mix well. Now add cashew powder. Mix. Add 2 whole green chilli. This will give good flavor to the curry. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. This is optional. Mix well. Bring the gravy to boil. Now add the brinjal pieces. Immediately after adding to the gravy, Flip the brinjal pieces. Now cover the pan and let it cook for 7 minutes on low flame. After 7 minutes, remove the lid and flip the brinjal pieces once again. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Cover and turn off the flame and let it rest for 10 minutes before serving. After 10 minutes, transfer it to a serving plate. You can serve this dahi bangan dish with roti, rice, paratha, puri, anything. So friends, this was my today's recipe. You must try it in your kitchen, and if you like it, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much for visiting my must kitchen.